a volcano. So let's get started. So you will be needing a spoon, a microwave safe bowl, some water, baking soda, cornstarch, some hot sauce, and some paper towels. I chose to use two. So let's get started. First, you're going to take your baking soda and pour it in there.
Don't use the whole container, guys.
Okay, you're going to just pour it in there. About this much.
Just to cover the bottom of the bowl.
And then you're going to take your cornstarch. And you're going to take your cornstarch. And you're going to put some of that in there too. See?
Big mess, Precious. Big mess.
Okay, so now you're going to take your water and your spoon. You're going to get about as much as your spoon, like this much water. And you're just going to pour it in.
I think you need some more baking soda and cornstarch.
Okay, first I'm just going to mix this up. Mix it up for a while. I have to put some more. You could add some more if you didn't put enough. Remember, it depends on what kind of volcano you want. So I'm just going to put a little bit more because I'm trying to make sort of a big volcano. A little bit of everything.
You're making the biggest mess ever.
I know that. Okay, then you're just going to, I would ask an adult. If I were you, I would ask an adult, but right now I'm just doing it by myself because I need to hurry this up. So then you're going to take your baking soda, doesn't matter what kind, and you're just going to pour in some more baking soda. Now I'm going to take some more water. Just going to pour it in like that, and then start mixing.
And if you need more, just gradually add some more water to it.
Yep. It should be looking creamy. It should be looking sort of like milk when you mix it. And it should be a little hard, so don't get overreactive if it's hard.
Yes, it should get hard when you're like touching it.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're not touching it,
and
then
when you're mixing it should be hard. Unless you want it creamy, it's okay if it's creamy and not hard. See, looks like milk.
Okay.
By the way, guys, you should not use milk and don't drink it. Don't eat or drink it. This is not edible. Unless you eat nasty. And after you mix it up very well,
You just put it in the microwave for 1 minute.
and if it doesn't work for 1 minute, just put it in for a little longer, like 30 more seconds or so. So I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. And you're just gonna put it in for 1 minute. So you're gonna press. Sorry, I did this wrong. Sorry. not very good at working this.
Okay, now you just let it microwave for a little while until it's done, and we'll be right back to you when it's finished. So, see you then.